Hello everyone, welcome to the last part of the tutorial. Today I'm going to show how to implement a sound or sounds such as walking, shooting, and the background music for your game. And also later in this video, I will show the final output of the game, the overall of combination of the all of the part and the overall of the project. So let's get started. First, we want to create a audio source. So let's go to the hierarchy, right click on the empty space, go to audio, then audio source. Name the audio source background music. After that, duplicate it 2 times and name it to SFX and shooting. After that, import the sound that you want to use. I'm going to use the background music that we made for the video, and also the laser gun and running audio. After importing the three audios, we want to go to a empty object. You can create a empty object, name it audio, but I'm going to use the event system object. And you need to create a sound manager script. To create a sound manager script, just go to add component and type sound manager script, then use script. So here is the sound manager script. The sound manager script plays a crucial role in enhancing the player's experience by providing the background music, shooting sound effects, and the walking or running sound effects. Firstly, we want to declare variables in the sound manager script. For the audio sources, first the background music source, place the background music. Next is the SFX source. It handles general sound effects such as walking or running. Next is the shooting audio, specifically place the shooting sound. Next, for the audio clips, background music, shooting sound, and walking sounds are the variables that store the audio files we want to play. And lastly, the Boolean variables is walking. It checks whether the player is currently moving. And also is shooting checks whether the player is currently shooting. For playing the background music on start, this method runs once the game starts. It checks if both the background music source and clip exists before playing. And also loop is equals to 2 ensures that the background music will play continuously without stopping. Next is the continuously checking for action in update. The update function runs every frame and ensures that our sound effects are responsive. It calls two functions: handle walking sounds, check if the player is moving, and the handle shooting sound, check if the player is shooting. This ensures that sound react in real time to player action, making the game feel more interactive. Next is the handling of the shooting sound. Firstly, it detects when the player holds the left mouse button, fire 1, and prevents the starting the sound every frame by checking is shooting. Next, it starts the sound from 0.8 frames by using shooting audio that time. This creates a snappier effect, making the gunfire sound more responsive. Next is the loops the sound. It loops the sound so it continuously plays while the button is held. And lastly, it stops the sound when the button is released. Next is the handling of the walking sound. This function checks if the player is pressing movements keys, WSND or arrows keys, using input that get access. Second, if the player is moving and the walking sound isn't playing, the walking sound starts playing. The sound loops continuously as long as the player is moving. And lastly, if the player stops moving, the sound stops to avoid unnecessary playback. So this is the code that we'll be using for the sounds clip. After implementing the code, we want to assign the audio source and audio files in the inspector. Go to the sound manager script, then drag the background music source, which is we created earlier. Drag it here. Same to SFX and shooting. After that, for audio clip, we just want to drag the background music here and shoot laser shooting gun here and running sound effect here. After assigning the audio source and audio clips in the inspector, we want to try if the script is working. So let's hit play. As you can see, the background music is playing, and also the walking or running audio. If I try to shoot, it will also play. Oops, I died. Let's hit the start again. Okay. See, the shooting mechanics or shooting sound is ready. So that is all for this sound implementation on your game. Now I'm going to show the whole game, starting from the main menu to the ending of the game. So before we end this tutorial, we are going to recap of what we did overall in this tutorial. Firstly, we created a environment that we will be using for our character and enemy. And also we import assets like character and the gun. Also created a sample enemy. Next, we implement a player movement. We implemented running, jumping. Next, we put a camera, a third-person camera for the player. Next is we implemented animations for the player. We implemented walk, run, jump, and idle. Next is we added a player health for the combat system later and enemy. Next is the combat system. We added guns, functioning guns, bullets. Next is the enemy AI and their patrolling points. Next is the UI and HUD. This displays the player health bar and enemy health bar. And next is the pause menu and main menu. And lastly, the sounds. We implemented the sounds, the background music, walking, and shooting. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you again for being a part of this journey. I hope you learn something or implement something that we showcase. And again, thank you again for being a part of it. Again, we are the Level Up Group, and thank you very much and have a nice day.